welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm gonna be doing a getting my life back together vlog, kind of like a monthly reset. Lately I've been feeling so stressed and so disorganized and just like everything is literally a mess. My apartment is a mess. I just have piles of clothes everywhere. Everything is so disorganized. I just need to take a couple days to get everything back on track so I can feel myself again. Personally, I love watching these videos on YouTube. I feel like just watching them makes me feel more organized. It makes me feel better and feel like my life is more together. So hopefully this video can do the same for you and will help you feel more motivated. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely make sure to thumbs up if you like these types of videos and you'd like me to do more of them. Comment below some things you like to do to kind of get organized and feel yourself again. And definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Let's just get into the video and start getting organized. I have a list of some different like steps I'm gonna do in this video to kind of get organized and get my life back on track again. The first step to kind of feeling myself again and feeling organized and getting my life back together is mental health. Like I said, I've been feeling so stressed lately. I find that it's really hard to be productive and focused when I'm feeling this way. For me, just venting my feelings and talking about the things I'm stressed about can definitely be a good solution. Just having somebody to talk to. I just want to say thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. I feel like BetterHelp is the perfect solution for getting my mental health back on track when I am feeling this way. So if you guys haven't heard of BetterHelp, it is not a crisis line, it's not self-help, it's professional therapy done securely online. BetterHelp will assess your needs and match you with your own licensed professional therapist. So the actual sign up is super easy. I'll show you kind of like on the screen. You basically just fill out a super quick questionnaire about how you're feeling to match you with a therapist that's right for you. BetterHelp is committed to facilitating great therapeutic matches, so they make it easy and free to change therapists if needed. So if you don't match with the right one on the first try, you can definitely switch. And there is a broad range of expertise in BetterHelp's 20,000 plus therapist network, which may not be locally available in many areas. Something that's really cool is that the service is available for clients worldwide. It's also more affordable than traditional offline therapy, and financial aid is available. The process is super quick. You can start communicating in 48 hours. It's really cool because you can log in anytime and send a message to your therapist. And when you do, you'll get timely and thoughtful responses. Plus, you can schedule weekly video or phone sessions, so you don't ever have to sit in an uncomfortable waiting room like you would with traditional therapy. I just love the whole process of this. I just feel like it's so easy. BetterHelp wants you to start living a happier life today. If you guys are like me and you're just kind of like stressed, maybe struggling a little bit, you should definitely check this out. Visit betterhelp.com/EmilyGrace. That's better HELP. And you can join the over 1 million people taking charge of their mental health with the help of an experienced professional. I do have a special offer for you guys, for my Emily Grace viewers. You can get 10% off your first month at betterhelp.com/EmilyGrace. So I'm gonna have that linked at the very top of my description. So definitely click that link. Such a good deal. So mental health is definitely the first step to feeling like myself and kind of getting my life together. So that is what I'm gonna do. The next step is cleaning. I mentioned that my apartment is very, very messy and disorganized. I'm going to clean next, and I think once it is like physically clean, I think I will definitely feel like my life is getting back together once I have a clean space. And right now I feel like the clutter and mess is definitely stressing me out. So I literally need to clean my room, my bathroom. I have a lot of laundry I need to put away. I'm just gonna get started. My room is looking much cleaner, like actually physically clean and not just like surface level picked up. It was so dusty. Like I literally just took everything off of my furniture and wiped it down. I'm starting to get so hungry for dinner, so I might have to come to a stopping point to eat dinner and then start this up tomorrow morning because I'm just feeling super tired and I have a few other things I need to do today. So I might just start this back up tomorrow. I might just try to finish up my bathroom real quick because I feel like my hunger will motivate me to do it fast. It's something that I can tackle pretty quickly. So I think I'm going to try to do my bathroom just real quick and then I will tackle the rest of my apartment tomorrow. I think I'm also going to clean up my closet tomorrow as well. So everything won't really be clean unless my closet is cleaned out because I kind of have piles of clothes everywhere that don't really fit into my closet. So it is the next day. I am hoping to get everything deep cleaned. I just really want to get my life together before the start of the new week. That is my plan. My room and bathroom is pretty much done. I got those deep cleaned yesterday. I like really wiped all the windowsills, like dusted, wiped everything down, cleaned the mirrors. I do still need to vacuum my room, but there are a few other things I need to vacuum, so I just want to get the vacuum out once and do it all at one time. I think I'm just going to deep clean my kitchen. Also, my closet is super disorganized, like ridiculously disorganized. I kind of just have piles of clothes everywhere, so everything is like a mess. So I did actually film a closet clean out this morning. I've been working on that this morning, like today. So now my closet is like really cleaned out and organized. I think I'm just gonna work on the kitchen and stuff for now because my kitchen definitely needs a good deep clean. Let's just get started. I'm kind of not in the mood to do this anymore since I've been cleaning out my closet all morning. I just want a clean apartment. So I think I'll feel good once it's done and once I get started. Just gonna listen to some music and hopefully it'll go by fast. So everything is looking pretty clean. My kitchen looks nice and clean. My room, bathroom. Now I just need to put away some laundry. I have a bunch of laundry that has just been sitting in my closet. Actually, laundry's in my closet. I have a couple laundry baskets full of like towels and stuff that I need to fold and put away. A bunch of clothes that I just didn't have space in my closet to put away, but now that I cleaned out my closet, I do. I also have this whole stack of clothes that needs to be hung up and also put away. So that is the next thing I'm going to work on. And I think that'll be pretty much everything. It has been a long day of cleaning, but everything is super clean. I feel like the biggest part of this was actually cleaning out my closet because I just had piles of clothes everywhere throughout my apartment, and now they are all in my closet. My closet has a lot of space, lots of empty hangers, so I think the closet clean out was probably the biggest accomplishment. Also, my kitchen was really messy. I just had like piles of stuff everywhere. Like, it probably didn't look super messy, but it just felt really like messy to me, and now all the counters are clean and picked up, and my room doesn't have like a layer of dust on everything, so everything just seems like really clean. I have literally been cleaning all day since I woke up today, and it is now like dinner time. I'm just going to call it a day. It is a few days later since I last talked to you, and I'm finally going to exfoliate my fake tan. As you can see, it just looks really splotchy, especially on my hands and my arms. My neck looks really bad. It just looks really splotchy everywhere, so I'm just going to exfoliate it off. I use the Loving Tan skin polishing and tan removing glove, I think is what it's called. It just makes removing the tan super easy, so I just use it in the shower. It comes off super easy, and I'm not just there scrubbing it for ever. I also shave, and that way I just have a nice base for my fresh tan. That is what I'm gonna do now. I like to let my skin sit for a while before I actually apply the fresh tan, just because when you're in the shower, your pores are opened, especially when you're exfoliating and everything. You don't want to apply the fresh tan on top of like open pores and stuff like that. So I will just check in with you guys later, and I think I'm gonna do a face mask and stuff too. I feel so fresh this morning. I took a shower and rinsed off my fake tan, and I feel so glowy. A fresh tan always boosts my self-confidence. I just feel so much better. My self-tan was looking so splotchy and bad, and I was just like not wanting to go anywhere, and now I just feel so good. Skin feels like fresh and clean after doing some skincare. The last step of getting my life together is kind of planning and getting organized mentally. I mentioned that I've been feeling kind of stressed and disorganized. I just want to take a second to just kind of plan out my week and just kind of get organized. I personally love planning, writing in my digital, or I guess not writing, but typing in my digital calendar and time blocking. I'm also gonna write out a physical to-do list. I love having a physical to-do list that I can just check off throughout the day. As I'm walking by my desk, check it off, look at it. I don't have to constantly unlock my phone, and then every time I unlock my phone to look at my digital to-do list, I end up getting distracted and going on Instagram. So I don't like to keep my to-do list on my phone all the time. I like to have it written out. I'm just gonna kind of look at my digital calendar and kind of plan out the next week or so I can just feel organized of what is to come. I think that is everything for this video. I just took some time to look at my digital calendar the next week or two and kind of plan out some content. I really want to start posting some Instagram reels and just like more Instagram content, TikTok content. So I just planned out some content for that. And I also scheduled out like when I could film and edit those this week, in addition to what I'm doing for YouTube. That is like my goal, is to start being more active on there. So I just took some time to schedule that out, and then also add in some due dates for some upcoming partnerships, like when those are due, when I need to film them, that sort of thing. I'm just feeling a lot more organized. I think that's pretty much everything for this video. I do kind of want to make a new vision board. Right now I have this little collage that I made at the beginning of the year, and it's just kind of like a visual layout of all of my goals. I kind of want to make like a new vision board collage for fall, so I might work on that as well. It kind of helps me stay motivated, look on Pinterest and get some ideas. So I might just add some like outfit pictures, like how I want to dress for fall, and then just like fall activities, like things I want to do this fall, like a little fall one, because I think that would be kind of fun. I also like to add like little quotes on there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to BetterHelp for sponsoring. Definitely check them out. I'm gonna have it linked below at the top of my description. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!